of the problems I've thought about, and I kind of have a solution for, is I'm taking an art class at the community college, and I've got a bunch of paintbrushes, and while they're not the greatest in the world, they're the best ones that I've got, so I don't want them to get all smashed up in my backpack. I was trying to think of a way to carry them around, but I was thinking about this idea, and I'm going to try it out and see if it works. I think it will. It certainly should. It's going to be a rigid, semi-rigid brush wrap. And I've got some material here. I've got an old leg off of one of my pants. You can see what a fat ass I am, or at least I was, like 60 pounds ago. I've got some fabric that's kind of hippie trippy. I don't know, kind of psychedelic looking. It won't look so gnarly when it gets paint on it if my brushes are dirty. I'm going to use a string to tie it with, so I got a piece of Latigo here, and I've got, out of the big bag of leather scraps, I got this chunk of leather, and I'm going to use it to make a nice piece of trim on the end. Maybe I'll do it on both ends so that when people look at it, they'll think, dang, JR, how did you get such a sweet looking semi-rigid paintbrush wrap? And I'll just give them that knowing wink. Everything's sewn up now except for this bottom part. Now, I thought this would be a really good time to do something cool for this paintbrush wrap that will help protect my bristles. I'm going to put some battens in it like you might in a sail, and these will make it somewhat rigid. I'm going to sew this. It's off of an old bookshelf that we scrapped and recycled for other projects. And then I've got some of this long skinny dowel here, and these are some short pieces, but my thinking is I'll sew one right there and one right there on the inside, and they will support the ends if the roll gets dropped on its end. These should provide plenty of support to keep your brushes from getting their bristles all smashed up and bounced around on. I know it's pretty low tech, but this is the kind of crap I do. Alright, now it's time to iron it down and close it up. And voila, man, look at that, it's done. Here it is. It's got this neat tie on it, You just kind of grab it and pull it and it'll pop right open for you. There you go. You can see I've got the storage for my bigger stuff. Now I've got a slot right here that I made for a ruler or some kind of straight edge, but I don't know that I want to cut down my 18-inch, my 1.5-foot ruler. Although I've got another one of these, so maybe I will. Maybe I'll cut down the other one. I've just got room for like my frisket tools, a couple of brushes, anything I guess I'm going to need for this class. So I'm sure this will change as I get more into painting. So anyway, yeah, check that out. You can make one of these if you want to. Woo! That's manly sewing for you, man.